Hello and happy Friday, and welcome back to the Road to Get Cooking. You remember a couple weeks ago when we were talking about my garden update, and I was telling you about that spot on my patio where the plants get blasted by early morning sun and afternoon sun? Well, I found a creative way to kind of shade my little plants that were getting fried by the sun, and I came up with this little contraption. Now, I've been looking at these garden protectors on Amazon, and some of them are quite cute, but they're expensive, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to make this work because these are some old strainer baskets that I was throwing away because they started falling apart and, you know, catching all kinds of food particles that I couldn't clean. And I don't like stuff in my kitchen that I can't wash and sanitize and, you know, sterilize real good. So they were going in the trash, and I thought, nope, they're not going in the trash. I'm going to use them for this purpose. And it works, doesn't it? And here's how I made my CELP chicken, egg, lettuce, and pepper sandwich. Started with my eggs and my buns that I made a couple of days ago, some fresh ground chicken that I ground up this morning. I chopped up some bell peppers and some onions. And when I made my chicken patties, I made them real thin. And if you'd like to see how I made my chicken patties, let me know in the comment section, and I'll do another video so you can see the whole process. And they only took a couple of minutes to cook, and they were absolutely delicious. And you know you can't have a chicken burger without some homemade French fries. And that is an absolute rule, and it's on page 37 in the rule book. Trust me. All right, now this is when I say goodbye, and have a great weekend, everybody. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Okay, you guys be safe out there, stay cool, stay hydrated, and just make sure you look out for your furry babies too, okay? Have a good weekend. See you when I see you. Yeah.